Are you worried about the cost of getting modest wares? Do you know you can cut costs by doing it yourself? Why not join Modest Baliqees for a 1-month intensive coaching on instant hijab, Jilbab and Abaya course? You stand a chance of getting sumptuous packages of drafting of different instant hijab patterns, 8 different Abaya designs, 6 different Jilbab designs with sleeves, how to take accurate measurements, how to calculate the amount of fabrics needed for each, additional interactive Zoom class for tutorial review and lots more. All this for a token of $40, while early bird goes for $30. Class commences from February 20 to March 20. For reservations and inquiries, contact 0701 781 7032. Don't miss this super amazing offer. If I were you, I'll jump on it.